Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase wallet. First, download the Coinbase wallet application from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You will be guided through setting up a secure password and backing up your recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds, so store it very safely. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Next, you'll need to fund your Coinbase wallet with an existing cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, which can be swapped for Dogecoin. Open your wallet and select the Receive option to find your unique wallet address. Copy this address and use it to send your chosen crypto from another exchange or wallet. Always double-check the address to ensure your funds arrive safely. Now let's swap for Dogecoin. Within your Coinbase wallet, locate the Trade or Swap tab, usually found at the bottom. Choose the cryptocurrency you deposited, for example, Ethereum, and then select Dogecoin as the asset you want to receive. Enter the amount you wish to swap. The app will display the current exchange rate and any associated network fees. Carefully review these details before proceeding. After reviewing the swap details, confirm the transaction. The process usually takes a few moments, depending on network congestion. Once completed, your new Dogecoin balance will be visible in your Coinbase wallet. You can then choose to hold your Dogecoin, send it to another wallet, or use it for transactions. Congratulations! You've successfully acquired Dogecoin using your Coinbase wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.